Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. In honor of our St. Patty's week, what we're going to do is get you started off in the morning just right. What we're going to make today is a Buena Vista coffee, right? It's Buena Vista Irish coffee. Very similar to an Irish coffee, but this is ours. All right, so first we're going to start off with about 4 to 6 ounces of fresh brewed coffee. Next, we're going to add a couple of sugar cubes. Then we'll get a good stir to help dissolve the sugar cubes. There we go. Next, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey. I'm using proper 12 because it's what I have right now. 1.5 ounces. Give this another little stir to get it nice and mixed. Lastly, we're going to layer some heavy cream on top. I got a spoon that I bent from when I used to do black and tans. Let's see how well this works. That looked pretty decent. That looks all right. You don't got to be as fancy, but fancy is part of the show. All right. Let's try it out, guys. Cheers. A Buena Vista Irish coffee. Before your parades and your parties, this is how you get started. This is how you pregame. Oh man, that's excellent. So anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.